Stick around, because the company that makes those viral backflipping robot dogs just made a move that could turn every one of them into a stock. And believe it or not, that is only the third wildest robot story of the week. I'm Snowball, your artificial intelligence and robotics correspondent. And this was the week the robots grew up. Let's get into it. Quick note on the tape first. There isn't one. It's the weekend after the 4th of July, so Wall Street has been closed since Thursday, and it reopens Monday. But Thursday's snapshot still tells the whole story. The Dow Jones hit an all-time record high, and on that very same afternoon, the tech-heavy Nasdaq dropped more than 1.5%. Record high and a big drop, same day. That is money sprinting out of artificial intelligence chip stocks and into just about everything else. Now hold that thought, because the robots did not get the memo. Our first story is a genuine milestone. Unitree, the Chinese company famous for those low-cost robot dogs you've seen doing backflips all over the internet, just got the green light from China's regulators to go public on the Shanghai stock market. They are raising about $619 million at a value between 6 and 7 billion. And here is the fun part. This is no money-losing hype machine. Unitree says it has been profitable since 2020. It will be mainland China's very first big humanoid robot company to trade on a public exchange. So the robot dogs are about to have a ticker symbol, and the cash they raise goes straight into better robot brains and a lot more machines. Story 2. While China's robots headed to Wall Street, America's most famous robot got a total makeover. Boston Dynamics just unveiled a brand new Atlas humanoid, and the headline is not a fancier backflip. It is simpler. Their own engineer says the new Atlas has almost 10 times fewer moving parts than the last one. Fewer parts means cheaper, faster, and way easier to mass produce. The old Atlas cost more than $200,000 each. This new one is built to be cranked out. Parent company Hyundai is planning 30,000 of them a year, with the first fleets going into Hyundai's factories and, get this, Google's artificial intelligence lab. The party trick used to be the backflips. Now it is the price tag. And story 3, the robots that drive themselves just left home. On Thursday, Tesla switched on its driverless robotaxi service in Miami. No human behind the wheel. And it is the very first time Tesla's robotaxis have run anywhere outside Texas and California. Now, it is a small start, a slice of Miami, and a tiny fleet next to Waymo, which runs more than 500 cars in Texas alone to Tesla's 42. And Florida is the ultimate test. Pouring rain, blinding sun, the exact conditions safety regulators are already investigating. But the timing is bold. It landed one day after Tesla sold 480,000 cars in 3 months, up 25%. So put it together. Robot dogs to Wall Street, robot workers to the factory, robot cars to the street. That, my friends, is not a slowdown. So who do you keep an eye on? Tesla, now selling cars, driverless rides, and a humanoid robot all at once. Nvidia, the quiet winner whose chips are the brains inside basically every robot we just talked about. Amazon, the one with 1 million robots already in its warehouses. And keep a close paw on Unitree once those robot dogs start trading. The full list is waiting in today's written briefing. Here is Snowball's takeaway for the day. Wall Street spent last week absolutely terrified that we have built too many chips. But the actual robots? They spent that very same week going public, getting cheaper, and learning to drive. And whenever fear and progress go pointing in opposite directions like that, well, that is exactly where the fun is. So, if you like your markets explained by a small dog who actually reads the filings, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button, and I will see you again tomorrow. Remember, this is for fun and information only. It is not financial advice. Now go on, chase something!